1 pound melted butter, alrighty y'all, we got our marshmallow peeps here onto our hababichi. We're using 1 pound melted butter, 3 bricks of almond bark, and some white chocolate chips, along with 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. I'm just adding in some funfetti cake mix. We're gonna put in 2 boxes of this to make it nice and thick, extra delicious, super flavorful. All right, we want our chocolate bricks to melt, so I'm gonna start coming in and mixing. Now these peeps are Sunny D flavored, along with cotton candy, and then regular yellow flavor. But of course you can use whatever flavors you want, whatever flavors are available to you. See how we've got these almond bricks here? And I'm just gonna use my flippers to make sure that's touching the base of the grill here. We want those to get all melted and broken up and everything nice and combined here. This is gonna be such a flavorful, delicious treat, perfect for Easter or really any time of year that you can find peeps at your local grocery store, y'all. Alrighty, All American Classic. We're coming in with our giant box of Rice Krispies cereal. Of course, you can use whatever cereal you like. Isn't this giant box amazing? I found that at Target, and I've got a second giant box, and we are just gonna fill all this in, y'all. This is gonna be delicious. All right, picking back up our hababichi flippers. Time to mixy. Smash, mix with all of these delicious white chocolate peeps. Our butter is browned, which is gonna add extra flavor to this deliciousness. And our Rice Krispies cereal, whole grain, getting in those healthy carbs and whole grains that your kids need to fuel them up for the school day. Alrighty, y'all, we've reached our desired consistency here. I'm gonna start putting this into my tray. Don't worry, this is not gonna be the final form. We're gonna make this super beautiful and delicious, perfect Easter treat. Y'all are going to love this. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all, our treat has solidified, but first, I am going to grab some unsweetened coconut flakes. Of course, you can use sweetened. I'm just gonna put these into a little baggy bag here and add in some green food coloring. Perfect. And then we'll just start giving this a little massage to get all our coconut a beautiful shade of green. Alrighty, perfect. Coming back in with our big tray here. Look at that gorgeousness with all those marshmallow peeps melted. And now we're just gonna put our green grass right on top because it's about to be the best holiday of the year. You know what I mean. You know what it is, Marty? Obviously.
Super Bowl?
Yes, some Cadbury mini eggs for the Super Bowl. Now I'm kind of using these rainbow ones, but they come in different colors and they're so fun, so cute. I should say these are like classic colors. Coming in with some peeps. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of frosting on the bottom of my peeps so they can stand up, as our friend Ludacris would say. Is that a Ludacris song, Marty? I think it is.
Yeah.
Perfect. And I've got a special guest star for our diorama here.
Not special for our little peeps.
If you guys have someone who loves Jurassic Park or dinosaurs, a young man or you lady, this is such a fun, easy little way. Obviously dinosaurs don't really have anything to do with Easter, but I just thought like the dinosaur attacking the peeps was pretty funny. All right, y'all, we're taking this to church. You gotta try it.